The Bird Sanctuary by Sarojini Naidu. In your quiet garden wakes a magic tumult of winged choristers that keep the festival of dawn. Blithely rise the carols in richly cadenced rapture from lyric throats of amber, of ebony and fawn. The bulbul and the oriole, the honeybird and shama flit among high boughs that drip with nectar and with dew. Upon the grass the wandering gull parades its sea-washed silver. The hoopoe and the kingfisher, their bronze and sapphire blue. Wild grey pigeons dreaming of a home amid the treetops fill their beaks with silken down and slender banyan twigs. But the jade-green gypsy parrots are only gay marauders and pause upon their sunward flight to plunder red-ripe figs. In your gracious garden there is joy and fostering freedom, nesting place and singing space for every feathered thing. O master of the birds, grant sanctuary and shelter also to a homing bird that bears a broken wing.